In this video, I'll show you how to duplicate a Facebook ads campaign. If you already have a campaign that works, or you want to test a new audience, budget, creative, or offer without building everything from scratch, duplicating the campaign is the fastest way to create a new version inside Meta Ads Manager. First, open your web browser and go to Meta Ads Manager. Log into the Facebook account connected to your business or ad account. Then make sure you select the correct ad account before making any changes. Next, go to the Campaigns tab. This is where you'll see all the campaigns inside your ad account, including active campaigns, paused campaigns, drafts, and completed campaigns. Now, find the campaign you want to duplicate. Click the checkbox next to the campaign name to select it. Once the campaign is selected, look for the Duplicate button near the top of Ads Manager. Click Duplicate to create a copy of the campaign. Meta will now ask where you want to duplicate the campaign. You can usually choose to duplicate it into the original campaign structure, create a new campaign, or keep the duplicated version as a draft before publishing. If you want to test a new version safely, keeping it as a draft is a good option. After duplicating, Ads Manager will open the copied campaign. At this point, rename it so you don't confuse it with the original version. For example, you can add Test Audience, New Creative, or the current date to the campaign name. Next, review the campaign settings. Check the objective, budget, schedule, buying type, and campaign structure. Even though the campaign was copied, you should still review everything before publishing because some settings may need to be updated for the new test. Now, move to the ad set level. This is where you can change the audience, locations, age range, interests, placements, budget, schedule, or optimization settings. If you're duplicating the campaign to test a new audience, this is the section you'll usually edit the most. After that, go to the ad level. Here, you can update the creative, image, video, headline, primary text, call to action, and destination link. If you want to test a new ad creative while keeping the same audience, make your changes here. Before publishing, review the duplicated campaign from top to bottom. Make sure the budget is correct, the audience is correct, the ad copy is updated, and the destination link works properly. This step is important because duplicated campaigns can accidentally keep old settings from the original campaign. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Meta will review the duplicated campaign, and once it is approved, the new version will start running based on your selected budget, targeting, and schedule. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to duplicate a Facebook ads campaign. The main steps are simple. Open Ads Manager, select your campaign, click Duplicate, rename the copy, adjust the settings, review everything, and publish the new version. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more Facebook ads, Meta ads, and digital marketing tutorials.